Welcome back to Kanen Coffee. In front of me we have a Breville 920 in hot red. Isn't that nice? It was brought in by Derek because it was not getting hot enough to make coffee. So we poked around on the inside and we noticed that it was leaking. So first things first, we replaced some gaskets to stop the leak. And then did a little swap-a-roo with some temperature sensors, and we determined that the front boiler for brewing, the brew boiler, was not getting any voltage. So we checked around and found a burned out fuse. This guy right here, pulled that out, replaced it, and sure enough we got 120 going back to the heating element. So as you can see, it says 200 degrees right there. It's working just fine. Let me get rid of that, and then let's demonstrate a little bit about this machine. Good steam, good pressure. Turn this knob over here. Good, it's hot water. And then manual. This machine is working like a charm, and I have to say it looks really good in red. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and like the video, and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out, and we'll see you in the next one.